In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English Term 3, Unit 1, Lesson 1, 5 Detectives. Before getting to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Detectives, persons who investigate and solve crimes. Admirable, praiseworthy. Mystery, kept secret. Waxwork, a life-size dummy made of wax. Pestering, irritating. Wagging, shaking. Solved, to find the answer. Disguise, to make a person look different to hide their identity. Sniffed, to smell by short inhalation. Furious, intensely angry. Confess, to admit that you have done something wrong. Overheard, to hear without the speaker's knowledge. Let us get into the lesson now. 5 Detectives. It was a sunny afternoon after a long time in Ooty. Arul and Amuda were sitting on their balcony. The last 3 vacations were very exciting for them as they were involved in solving 3 mysterious cases in their city. They missed their friends Srijit, Jessie and Fatima. 5 Detectives. Detectives means person who investigate and solve crimes like police officer. So it was a sunny afternoon in Ooty after a long time. Arul and Amuda were sitting on their balcony. The last 3 vacations were exciting for them. How do you spend your vacations? Yes, we used to go to our grandparents' village or some other new places, isn't it? But they involved in solving 3 mysterious cases in their city. Mysterious means difficult to understand, and they were very interested in solving problems. They missed their friends Srijit, Jessie and Fatima. They called themselves the 5 Detectives or 5D. They were famous in Ooty for their courage and skill. The police appreciated 5D for their admirable acts. Amuda and Arul missed Pablo. Pablo was Srijit's dog. He played an important role in solving the mysteries. All these 5 friends, they called themselves as 5 detectives or 5D. And they were very famous in Ooty for their courage and skill because they solved 3 mysterious cases. Police also appreciated 5D for their admirable acts, that is, prizeable acts. Amuda and Arul missed Pablo. Pablo was Srijit's dog. It was played an important role in solving the mysteries. Mysteries means secrets. After a week, Srijit, Jessie, Fatima and Pablo came to Amuda and Arul's house. Pablo was jumping with joy and continuously wagging his tail. Amuda, I am so happy to see you all. Arul, now we can all head to solve a mystery. It will make our vacation interesting. Srijit, mystery? Did something happen in the town while I was gone? Arul, no Sri, nothing at all. After a week, all the 5 friends gathered in Amuda and Arul's house. Pablo was jumping with joy and continuously wagging his tail. Wagging means shaking. Amuda said that she was very happy to see all her friends. Arul said that we can all head to solve a mystery. Mystery means secret. It will make our vacation interesting. Yes, already they have solved 3 mysterious cases. Srijit said, mystery? Did something happen in the town while I was gone? Arul said that, no Shri, nothing at all. Amuda urged that they all go the town's fair. She told them about different games, magicians and most importantly the waxworks, a studio with many wax figures inside. After a lot of pestering, everyone agreed to go. On their way back, they saw Inspector Velayudham on his bike. He was the inspector of the area. Inspector Velayudham has been very busy these days, said Amuda. This made the group curious about what was happening in their city that they had no clue of. Amuda said that let's all go to the town's fair, and she told about different games, magicians, and importantly about the waxworks. Waxworks means a life-size dummy made of wax and a studio with many wax figures inside. After lots of pasturing means irritating, everyone agreed to go. When they came back, they saw Inspector Velayudam on his bike. He was the inspector of the area. Amuda said that Inspector Velayudam has been very busy these days. And this was made the group curious, and they wanted to know that what was happening in the city, but they had no clue of. Monday, Jessie overheard her father talking on the phone about a robbery that was expected to take place in the museum. Jessie rushed to see her friends in the morning and told them what she heard. Srijit, oh, now I know what Inspector Velayudam is up to. Jessie, let us solve this case before he does. Srijit, I feel we will find some more clues if we are near the city area. We will also be able to observe more things. I will disguise myself as that old man we saw on the street. On Monday, Jessie overheard her father talking on the phone about a robbery that expected to take place in the museum. Overheard means to hear without the speaker's knowledge. And she heard that and rushed to see her friends in the morning, and she told what she heard. Srijit said that, oh, now I know what Inspector Velayudam is up to. Jessie said that let us all solve this case before Inspector Velayudam solve. Solve means to find answer. Srijit said that I feel we have to be near city area. Then only we can find more clues. And we will also observe more things. And he told that he will disguise himself as an old man they saw on the street. Disguise means to make a person look different to hide their identity. Everyone agreed to it. Srijit dressed as the old man. Srijit sat on the old man's bench, coughed and sniffed like him. No one could recognize Srijit. Soon, a man on a cycle came and sat next to the old man. He said, "Where have you been since yesterday? Take this." Everyone agreed to it. Srijit dressed like the old man, and he sat on the bench where the old man used to sit. And he coughed and sniffed like the old man. Sniffed means to smell by short inhalation. No one could recognize Srijit. Soon a man came by a cycle and sat next to him. And he said that, "Where have you been since yesterday? Take this." He gave something to him. Let us see whether they got clues and how they solved the mystery in the next video.